Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kari kikutanka kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kama chungo garoka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe, takuigira nyeri kutenda ma streets X Zimbabwe uko kune lady yari kuzviti Gugu Ncube arikubuda achitaura iye achiti achiaccuse President Mnangagwa of raping abuda on X endo yakanzi African delinquent abuda achitaura iye achiti, fellow Zimbabweans, today I must tell you something. I thought this was one of the abuses I was gonna go to the grave with, but since ZANU-PF official through its dogs has started, I must disclose this. Hashtag Mnangagwa raped me and two others. I have pictures of naked ED. Those are Buddha. Achitaura kaenda mbele achiti, it is time for truth, Zimbabwe. Mnangagwa is a rapist. If you think I'm lying, bring him to a space with me, face to face. Let me show you what truth looks like. See, Mukungunugwa, you can invite your president because I will be posting his messages and pictures if he doesn't. Those are Buddha. Zvataurwa na Gugu Ncube muri Zimbabwe tisingazivi kuti nyaya chokwadere kana kuti ane machats zvakare abudisa tisingazivi ndechokwadere kana kuti akabikwa. Achitaura iye achiti she was raped by the president. Akaendera mberi achiti, fellow Zimbabweans, gather here, let's talk. What exactly is offending you when I say E.D. Mnangagwa is a rapist? You, as a person, do you know how many women in Zimbabwe are raped daily by men of power and they are dying in silence? Ndozvo ataura muri Zimbabwe. Nyaya yanetsa, nyaya yashamisa mazhinji iri kutrenda streets social media. Vanhu vabuda vachitaura vachiti she's trying to divert attention yevanhu from the ongoing crisis iri kuitika muno muZimbabwe. Vamwe vakataura ivo vachiti he's trying to accuse the president so that anotanisha image ya president ahead of the SADC summit. Aenda namberi achitaura, good morning Zimbabwe, it's a beautiful Sunday morning. I don't know why many of you are hating that I said E.D. Mnangagwa had sex with me. The fellow women I know who can ask me questions are these four, because we have a shared. The rest of you are noisemakers, so you must shut up. As for men, why would you fight for other men and how he has used it? What exactly is hurting you to the extent that you say you are defending E.D.? Defending him from what? From me telling the world what he did to me. You guys need to man up. Muchapora zvenyu. By the time I release his nudes muri Zimbabwe, akabudisa ma pictures first lady okusiya Mnangagwa na Susan Mtami na Tendai Mavetera pamwechete namaititi achitaura iye achiti zvakare vakarara na President Mnangagwa. Singazivi kuti munomaona sei ma serious accusations aya ari kuclaimwa NeMukadzi Uyu Anonzi Gugu Ncube aendera mberi zvakare achiti Mnangagwa is a rapist. There is no amount of noise that will make me change this narrative. Many women in Zimbabwe are dying in silence after being raped by Mnangagwa. Maybe you can silence others, definitely not me. You are all wasting your time. This is one thing I will even talk about in every conference I attend. You will never silence me. Asikumira muri Zimbabwe murume uyu asikumira muri Zimbabwe mukadzi uyu achitaura iye achiti she was raped by President Mnangagwa muri Zimbabwe. Zvakare ndofunga pane marumors akabuditswa ekuti mwana waWashington Ncube muri Zimbabwe tisingazivi kuti nyaya chokwadi here kana kuti iri kutendera streets X asi one of my political commentators abudawo achikomenta on this issue muri Zimbabwe achiexposa Gugu Ncube uyu akabuda iye achitaura achiti the controversy surrounding Gugu Ncube, Dr. Delinquent, a case of personal gain over national image. This is not the first time that individuals have sought to tarnish the image of Zimbabwe's leadership for personal gain or political motives. President Mnangagwa is preparing to attend a significant summit, taking over the chairmanship of the Southern African Development Community. In the past, similar incidents have occurred, such as the claims made by Susan Mutami when President Mnangagwa was set to attend the United Nations General Assembly, UNGA. Mutami alleged that the president had arrived here, casting a shadow over his international engagements. Moreover, the fake-staged abductions of MDC, now CCC opposition activist Tawanda Mucheiwa at Mucheiwa, Takudzwa Ngadziwore at Ngadziwore, Jeima Mombe at Johanna Mamombe at C. Chimbiri II, who claimed that President Mnangagwa had sent people to abduct them, further exemplifies the abuse of the president's name for personal or political gain. These incidents not only undermine the credibility of the individuals involved, but also pose a significant challenge to Zimbabwe's leadership on the global stage. The consequences of such actions are far-reaching. They not only tarnish the image of the president's leadership, but also have the potential to disrupt diplomatic relations and hinder the progress of the nation. In a world where perception plays a vital role in shaping international relations, these incidents can have long-lasting repercussions. It is essential for individuals to consider the broader implications of their actions and the impact they have on the collective interests of their nation. While right to protect the voice of grievances is crucial, it should be exercised responsibly and with a sense of national responsibility. The controversy surrounding Gugu Ncube's protest highlights the need for individuals to prioritize the national image and collective interests over personal gain or political motives. As Zimbabwe's leadership navigates the complex world of international politics, it is crucial for citizens to support and uphold the integrity of their nation rather than seeking to undermine it for personal or political gain. Those are Buddha Zvataurwa political analyst Uyu Anonzi tinotenda gacha Zvataurwa iye achiti there are people who are trying to tarnish the image of the president in Zimbabwe ahead of the SADC meeting. Ndofunga zvokunzi zvakaita zvakare Susan Mutami president pavaida kuenda United Nations akabuda achiclaim achiti she was raped by President Mnangagwa. Tisingazivi kunoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section, kuti chingava chiri chokwadi tichitaura naGugu Ncube kana kuti she is trying to tarnish the name ya president, uyezve she's trying to divert attention yevanhu from the crisis iyo yanziri kuitika muno muZimbabwe. Tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.